Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And Momori says hi. She is another pull-up doll in my small pull-up collection. She came out in 2019, and so I am revisiting all of my dolls in my collection right now, and so she is up next for a little look-see and discussion. If you follow my channel for any length of time, you know what a soft spot I have for any dolls in the Mori style, and she is definitely a super cute little Mori Japanese type doll that I could not resist back in the day. And I don't remember if I did not get her in 2019. She came out in 2019, but I got her, I think I got her around 4 years ago. So yeah, like 2022 maybe I got her. And I will put her unboxing video in the description so you can see her from the very beginning. And she's super adorbs. She has this little weird kind of crochet-ish, lacy, I don't know what you call it, hair ornament. Let's put it that way. It's not really a hat. On her head, it takes a while usually to kind of get it on there. Her hair is bobbed and kind of a little on the messy side. She has a really sweet face, and she does have yellow eyelids, but these dolls are so hard for me to change their eyes. So unlike the Blythe that have actually different colored eye chips that you can change out, these large eyed dolls, these pull-ups, they also have big eyes, and then and you can move their eyes instead of switching completely to different eye chips. There's a little lever in the back, and you can move them, back and forth. There's also two other levers, one on either side of the doll's head for each eye, and you can push them and they will close the eyelid, and then you push it and it opens the eyelid. But I actually did that before I started filming, and for the life of me, I almost could not get her eyelid open. I had to hand roll it open. So I'm not going to do that because I'm afraid I will break it. That's one of the things with these pull-up dolls, at least for me, they're very fragile and I don't want to break this little girl. So you can kind of see she has yellow eyeshadow, and if I were able to close her eyelids and open them up easily, you would be able to see her yellow eyeshadow on her lid, but that is not possible. She has this little faux fur neck thing. In fact, I can take that off. I'll take that off because then you can see how cute her dress is. Look at that. Look how adorable that is. And then she has, super cute dress with a little bow up at the top. And then this lacy overcoat. This is very Mori style. In fact, it was interesting. The other day I was shopping in an actual physical store with my mom. We were at Bell's, and they had similar crocheted little sweater jacket things all over the place, and kind of kicking myself I didn't get one. I will say they were awfully cute, and they were only like $20. So yeah, then I could be Mori also. But yeah, look at all the detail lace on there. And she has, again, these textured over the thigh or over the knee thigh socks. And then these super cute little boots, which I need to restring. And then of course they all come with a stand. So she's got a gold stand. And she's got this little purse, because if she's going to be out foraging, she needs something to put her mushrooms in or dry flowers or that kind of thing. So this thing is coming off again. This is one of those things you kind of have to like get her all set and then carefully put her in the curio, and then don't sneeze or anything to make sure nothing falls off. But I think she's adorable. She's got a really cute face up. Very sweet. I mean, it's not really a light face up considering she's supposed to be a Mori doll. See those little eyebrows? Super, super adorable. I've been very happy with her, and she's definitely just a display doll, not a doll I would do stuff with. I wouldn't change her clothes out. You can see, like I said, it's kind of difficult to change things on her as far as her eyes go, and stuff kind of falls off of her, but she'll be staying in the collection for sure, continuing to hang out in the curio, so she's okay. What do you guys think of this cute little Momori doll? Do you have any Mori style dolls in your collection? And what do you think about the Mori style? Are you like me, kind of addicted to it now? As usual, please give this a thumbs up, and thanks for stopping by to see today's doll of the day. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.